mama. And say that obedi. And the man no aduane eto wo nyi sika papa.
Wow.
Chale what are you for? Kwale wole for choba for fufu banku konkonte emutu so se fidie be no nyina nyagba.
Wow.
Onye pass the nipa diska pa o sabre no ne o ma no aduane ton. Nti wo yere ni aduane no a na edi samana ma no obi.
School fees what?
That to the community ya. So
Matias ya
pa. Fufu wo ko be di bo ko ayi 5 you twa 10.
Fufu.
Fufu be di wo ko ayi 5 cedis.
Ah, ma yare ntia se eja 10 cedis kra mu twa be 20 cedis o.
Ma be di kura 20. Because last year 5 years old man be cook no bisu mo. Na 10 cedis ku ta me ko to fufu 5 na 5. Yes, before the entire 5 you try 20. And now was the time when you Ghana. And you are the American power which you can near. Hey, sir, I told you I can be before and now. Hey, a conform and not from a control by the Ghana. I don't know, then they see you. The 10 to 20 Ghana and a vote and something. Emranti bi abegye enam apotoyiwa kakrakari bi ma apotoyiwa kesipa ko united apotoyiwa kesi ni bi mata
Prof come on the bow
abu ulma ready na mzinga bi ndiri bi ha ndiri toko bi
eje ulma toko bi when did you oh ulma kafra
enjoyment pa na mranje ma ba isa ge dua la die ni mo ni ska no no bi atuna eja sem ketwa afi empaswa yenye isi sa ho na ebubo bi so a kire wo
yo bobo wa bobi wa di kan bobo bi edwadie nti ya nkoso
isa no
Sompa FM
ma ka se di kan to ade ade to wo pa
yeah
afi uko asori mu susu a for the clergy, it is a time to organize harvest for church projects.
Ah, oh, okay. Because some of them time no ahoho ni nyina beba. Ento mo ba no mo ba so de na asofo do so age omo de afiri omo.
After town development committee from Sompa on there. It is a time for fundraising activities to develop their towns and villages.
Oh, okay.
When be able to organize all the SDE no, ubenya development to Okum.
Yeah.
And that's a care be between my asan between Ubo or you say that I didn't know.
Hey.
Okay, Easter homecoming.
Easter homecoming. Okay, that's fine.
Ubo. It will be Ubo near Ochokoto bomb dupie. Ubia Uboni or Kotobo Bimina Ocean, you pay.
Wow.
Then I know born in the year 2025 Easter homecoming. Matisa Belenzo, man over a bibu, Matisa Quetia for a be Matisa Bukura. To say there is an Yatia says in Santana only one town. Yet Santana only one town, now a corona abba piece or Unia Bebugrena. She said, Robia who say in Nakodi Sakroba Coslamwa. It is not for animal organizing model. And Tesso for no organizing with the Bukuru and organizing quota for Kotoso for the pound Saka comprise or TV. Obu Piasi or Bombi Chinasi Quetia Agiamwa quota for a Bitifi. Including the Obia organizing the and find your power reason. They say that the Abason to me shows us up. 2025 this year insurance senwa enya de ye nyina ekoba pie sukuro ba akoso akodi sano ewo.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ni twa mo no emfaso aye nya for Easter ho ne family gathering, family reunion. Ebu ha okoli kurom fie de biri no apeso onko ni kurom. Enti Easter no ne kwan ya akobofo nyina o mu aboku akotena aboku o nyina be fie. Akobofo o makotena aboku no
o nyina be fie. Now homecoming me that say significance no what can be pa ya fa bi pa me say etie for so ati ase.
For the traditionalists it is a time to go home to interact with relatives, loved ones and ancestors.
Oh, hey, sir.
enti kyerɛ kɔmfo a wɔnka ho a momma fie no sɛ Easter wei deɛ ɛne ɔmo ne sika kɔ ɔmo mfa fam mmra na ɔmɛne abusuafoɔ interact
na ɔmo mɛka nkye ɛnkyerɛ ɔmo nananom na ɔmo ne nananom ɛni nkɔmɔ
nananom awu dadaada no ebi a yɛdi wɔn finish ada mo nananom awu ancestors na awu mpanimfoɔ gu nsa ɛwɔ mpanimfie ahemfie ne nea adi wɔn nti obiara woda busua mu brɛ fie na abɛnu abusua mu to nsa ɛni de mmarima no koraa deɛ we all drink palm wine from the same calabash.
Oh, okay.
Eya na ni kapa.
Mmarima no mo nyinaa mo nom ɛyɛ nsafufuo every crab akumu ho.
Ɛyɛ nyinaa nom palm wine from the same calabash.
The same calabash.
Wo pa no ma wo tu kwan akɔtena sa man kɛse wɔn akyem dan wɔn agona so duro wɔn nsa wɔn suhum ɛnkran ne nkura horo so nyinaa ɛmra efie. Ambenya ɛyɛ family union. After another step, ye ba awade. Easter mu ne ye ware.
Easter mu na mo ware ho.
Kofo de ne wan ware Easter de na ware. Enti Easter mu ba na ne de bia ba ene ayi ase na nkofo nya ye kan tete ne ntisa. So so ya branti a wachi so ifre wantwi. Unni yira obeba na papa na ma me ma ware ama.
Hey. Wow.
Ma ko fie bia kwata ene ensanom ni otwanom ne ababodam ni manemende ho ya baba obi ane ho jo ni aye ne ho ade ama nti oba antwi ye crowd se brefi ne nware ma oba na ye ware ma onni kwan so be kire so oba we de ne ho nye vendimempe no wo fa no mu no wo papa no mu se busua na o firi mu na busua no mu djuboko nti ye ware wa ne no bo busua be yi ama nti ensenti se na and most will be the human right and kwada o kutu for o tunu for no na tunu e twa no yeah na ye papa no na ware man nti e marriage time
wow
ma embrantie and babawa e ni je panti ko for the time na e ta ware pa ni system
okay
ma me say when ni system say ware ni system me ma me wo me say wo fa no na e kan me papa man no oba pe papa wo yire no be ni man ni man to awade so be so nine the ware man.
Oh, okay. Yo, but Prof, my enko enim kakra na kwofo pedwedie pa na ondi dwa so a onye sika pa secret ne ye den ha
kwofo adwadie no let me tell you one story.
My ho abakosam kakra
ma book bi nya sika me de meyo nya sika me de publish na o sin kan babo anu matro book bi akwa kwofo adwadie ho ntimi bi bo mie maso na montie ni
ye tie pa ye nyina
ye tie sompa
obi a utie mo se re fe
Sompa FM. Yes, Sompa FM. Emma aketuapa na bi na ye ma ye na tie fo wi wo de mo
adwadie ho kwofo adwadie ntiti asere statistically ni ya boy ni mprankana hine no a mistake to esi makola ran about no ya tell Manchester Kitawia the first the first he ruled Accra from the year 1863 to 1902 ochina ko makola hoko se de make am boy ochina ko makola ran about we be a rolling spark no Hini bi sibran about baby a
many cry twa so da Methodist bookshop in Chenwa
Methodist bookshop ni Methodist bookshop
many twa so da
Hini ni rule Accra from the year 1863 to 1902 sabre hini bi bi akonwa no sabre ne ye wo ya Santo of Ashanti ya Santo was born the year 1863 akwada odum no fo nganga no na ono so ohene nge ye nesi akunwa so nti oyo pani pa chen ya Santo of Ashanti.
Okay.
Na sabre no na abrofo no transfer capital town from Cape Coast to Accra. 1877 ye the capital no Cape Coast de ba Accra. Sabre na Kwofo sati biga.
Sompa 106.5 FM.
Sabre na Kwofo fira sese ye. Nti bra abrofo no fira sese yi won niema firi ehemu ewo enkran empoano no na ko Kwofo firi ko mamu nante fom e de konkran kofa enema beton na ma edi na fia ennan e na di duru nkran
Wow.
Man who's in the Fuenum and the Chaquano, who could drink crying.
Nina, Omonante.
Woman, I'm from.
Whoa.
Anybody, someone called what just the year and a serious thing. Who is a book now much on a manuscript. Baby, and our taco here a woman, and Nini can achieve English and I send you. Almost in our boy, who bam price so. Now, if you go at the far and price so. It is massive for, Ubo for, Pipiasi for, a BTV for, a Bindi for, a Quatia for, a Biamwa for, a bombing for, Bupon for, a Sakraka for, Kota for, and Chesu for, Bukua for. Did you now own boy who by damn price one of them? Nadia shit and the papa.
Wow.
Number 2, so for the Nimua, a Hina walker. What I could see at Chimotafo. Friend, you know, then you know, my dear Chin, I know Papa no mercy, no more sign. I could see at Chimotafo. At Chimotafo, old Tafo, and new Tafo. When I come to a little, the one fat man was and in some woman. Gabriel and I won't she be the line of my the one fat man was sick with in some woman. Could she say, what could do a year and crime poano? It's a man was you could not call for that national, I won't see you could call for that national. Oh, my company may be a store, or one man was in it, and then some woman. Not won't be a jelly for. Nana, it didn't see a powerful, I walk orchestra and near my jelly for the bit me up to a broken in China. The Kaya you started in your neck.
Oh, wow. A man a Kaya you for, and a man money a Kaya for. Kaya knew. A man manifiko, Mamma, any man, any man, a 1 9 a cock. Who says I'm an enemy slow? She said, we are only a quackoton near my town. Now they were told we are also one name. And now come on, Fatty can't go to Joe with Jinny's Gallion. Huh? And then Branty and come on, Cobon attack and go Jissicali and for Moon can be that. Now, somebody in Ukraine, I get the full concrete. The cotton near Maria no Masua at the Abba. Yeah.
And the man I call for the Gun, as I've been in China. Manchester, Crescent, and Pabuanam.
Yeah.
Kutukura Edido, and Tuma, and Tadia, and Pabua, Tawa. Why I listen and Nam, and more if you did. O two any to do. O Brunin and session up. That if you did, and Adwa. Kota edi kan dan ho kaba de ne anaju hakan edi gu anaju hakan nem sledin uburuni aso efe no gan ni ne ma horo pi towuro oside bu pa ye ho kemina hodo en sladinam powder dali fidie ahodo enkura fidie ahodo kokoko kotokuo enkane ahodo bi ti se ya yedi Crescent gum any torchlight ni battery ta ne ma nyina na ko fodi hudwa hwe ne ma bebere ba mbebo din yo chapter 2 Portuguese for any German for any English any French abrofo 72 na na wata akoto sa adwabie ene ma efi wo mtem odi sa adwari wo ko man mu ahatitiro enfie santin bebre mu na aye abrofo no company na o mton ne man firi onsam ebi the UAC ebi the UTC ebi the CFAO company ebi no the Leventis obi no the SCOA ebi the PZ Protection Sokoni ebi no the John Holt Bartholomew ebi the Busi and Stevenson ebi the AJC Ward ebi the SAT ebi the Westinghouse one more Tom Pabo ebi the Bata Shoe Company na ebi no so the Leonard Shoe Company sa ajelifo
Sompa FM
ko fo amaso na besin koto na ajelifo ndi ko fo afiti e don afiti ko kuru bibire so ebi bi se anyina mu se ni ko fo ho pa osino e ko fo ho achimutafo ko fo dua adeso asaman kese aya achimudan apatia kade aguna suoduro winiba Cape Coast secondary takurale chifu praso takwa presia bogoso afei na bebre nsu twa fira no eko voter region ensu ekodi ibia the sable ni enche oti region ntina na voter ni na bomba ako nkura no mtakwa igbe ma mkodi sugwa no ebi ni pando ebi ni ho ebi ni hohoi ebi ni ho awura ebi ni gi asekan me ma me papa yiri se gi asekan ne ba bi owo ye bapani papa bapani ma tesi ama ko wo ni gi asekan 1931 afi keje bi nsuro mu digwa ho afi wo ebi no so ba akrobo mamu e be digwa akrobo mamu so no nkura na wota eye adwuma wo so ala so ko digwa wo so eno so ebi ne eye sumenya krobo dumase agumenya akuse bia na de ho Ghana ho na ye ton nchene enchene ya ebio upa nchene de ho Ghana onye bi bia age akuse itanse enchene na ye turu wo songo lagoon no na empoano no na o ta bi di ni dwa awu akuse nsu ye kura them say the oldest hospital in Ghana kura je ma ho lewo 1911 na yete hasi 14 no na etonche any BSA hospital na no tu wure bi ko abu afuse hospital ya on be ko hosi na ko vuo e ko kuti ko tonche ne beton afu kura ni epe fufunya kuro bi ni epe ni bisa mi se mpapa ko tena bisa ko di dwa pa ena kuro bi zi epe na sesewa ni nyina ye kuro bo fu nkura na ko vuo ko tena ho di dwa to ne makoton ho no ma chapter 3 kokoto bebiara na nkuro no emu hofo dia kokoko no to kokoko no eton ma abrofo adwadifo no amedi kan bon won se bia UAC SCOA EFA Cabri and Fry no to kokoko papa company bia no maka kokoko no e don Cabri and Fry na o digwa papa afi cooperative buying company Westinghouse Swiss African company SAT womina and a Cabri and France and the Westinghouse boy SAT for an African company so mina no mutukuku chapter 4 ko fu an ko firawo edia no ebi san ba ko fu dia be diga ebi san be tena sugu ebi be tena san wom emu bi tuba eye ochimam e be dua konko e kan abiadi fo no afi ko fu no mu pi etirase to konko ti akuyafo no nsem de ma abrofo no a na UAC ne Cabri and Fry idi mu akoten pa
no we middleman wa
da sisi adan ewusuhum saman kase nkuru biara obetena so sisi adan pa ko fo pe adan sie ko fo enipa na tisi ko fo no efra on se ko fu pepefo ye nye sika ye resu ye nse sika ye nkotra cho bank ko twi akaka bio ne blebo ne ade bi me gbokuru bi ni sika fo kwa ro mto dia na ne ento Prof Jabu Trababi Prof was it kwa better brebo twi ni akaka do twi ni den the one nye sika no dia hair socks ye
Kwa ufu pepefu won just kada do with asese obu socks
ye nto na monto so ye na no titifo no
abuto dia na monto na mo
okazo on ton china ma o si da bi ni me de sika na beton china mo fa nyi puse ni bi nka me ho
wow
asemo ne bi mi twa time papoa the friend afro Moses
yeah be kai
papoa na di kofu mu papoa
Shasa tare.
Wo ma kwatena nsuhum ni nsa wo djuma no mo ye pa ni ko ta no. Krabo ko ta ni na time pa bo wan no twa. Enti wo ko suhum as abrosan akese esisi suhum di do na ekofo de.
Ekofo de.
Wo bon sa wo ma abrosan akese onsa wo di do na ekofo.
Wow.
Adan wo ko ta elma ni na nkese no na nsa ku ni kura se ni na di do na ekofo.
That's a Prof. Prof. Be try on so. Say bank crying has so I don't say or had so. You bet me I can say.
And when and can I deal with Yanka, one year of platinum crew, the Baba Bonina, so Brian can I say no move to bank like a cracker, no move to bank like you do not have on the dean crying. I don't know how the 70% of the business entity in Accra belongs to the Kous. This is how they build the business empire. Koufuane, the first tribe in Ghana, I will build a business empire. You can't say business empire, a JD Ahimai can see a JD4. If you am education too serious, the Kohano, open education for any problem, the professor for any patient, Makwachina, the woman answer the Mako, over for a JD.
Prof, you ever know what I say? I to us mine.
Okay.
To us mine.
Every bit you are, I will avoid the phone, the G for a tomb. Share where a JD will born whom more than pa. I'm a deal correct. If you nearby and say, what would be a suit I can see at the Malcolm for. Now, won't be a JD dance to tell the key like JD die. So talk me cheat doing a JD dying. You see a friend saying,
if I talk Prof, a JD dying.
A JD dying.
A JD dying. Says store. Now, what? Your friend
who are the E, the N, who are the E, the JD dying.
Hey, Prof, spell you.
Who are
the E, the
I got it dying.
Maybe that's it. Prof, watch that there.
I did dance. I don't know the intensity of the board dancing. I hear intensity 9 be one cry. So now I was the bond that's all yes, I done. Because for being a poor ha. Say, only be a strong mama, obey guarantee, and I say, Uba relax. I say, no, could you bank to get more BBC hour one. Oh, papa now offer, didn't ya pawn her £100 do this. Abrabo funani be story the amount.
Sompa
FM guarantee. If you want papa mini sika pon ha, e ko gigi abrofuna dan bi no na ma benyi sika, ona na mini sika nya. Na nhihia na wo fa agidi dan no ni sika pon ha no ho se. Niema wo ton no, busun biara abrofunu betua wo ka, ni oti store na no ka o miensa. Ye be store na ma na wo de £100 abegi store no. On besan for actually I will cut £3 a month. £3 a month. Now, free. Bon, I am switching. And you might pump back to be our baton. One by my commission, 6 pence. What idea £1 from store no more? You have my commission 6 pence. So I be the one to see kind of British pound, 12 pence make 1 shilling. 12 pence, couple, 12 here, 1 shilling. Couple 24 here, 2 shillings. So, auntie, a shilling by Kuma, £1. 20 shillings make £1. Into your amount 6 pence a day. Now, I'll teach Abrofuno and I get it down hold on. If you find a brand to a beer, walk to school, Kakra, I'll get to a boom conta, ever one or Juma Motianica. Nipa na neton de ma no na bebre nko sukuru da o ma nan ne abrofo no yeduma no bu a na papa ko atua £100 akotua akogisto ngians no ngwa nko sukuru onim nwoma awutimi twero bi na o me ne se ko vo mranti a mo ko sukuru a bibi nti o ma ntima nwie sukuru na o mutimi bubu nko ntire arithmetic a me ne nko ntane ye mfere na math ne fe na arithmetic 2 plus
I know they be kai pa because me pencil kra na arithmetic wo. Yeah, be kai pa. Arithmetic.
Anti nkwara ma akoko school ka kam tin bu arithmetic ni. Na adwadifo na o ma bi store say bi amia kasan ma na me wo fa na papa enya £100 abegi store bi amamia. Na ma nko school a metimi fa wo antwi. A wa ko school kakra wa ntimi anwie san asebe no. Because one year san asebe no akopɛ teacher ni mu kwa wo nya akopɛ dwuma bi a wo bebre. Nti ni afasa nkrofo cheap labor for no abebi abetina store na no ni atua wonka. And yet, I have £3 a month. After I get the phone, be an on semi bureau. If you are here, I buy and semi to me crata. You have any import lances. A cran name for the Abochie. In a year from a store, I walk to £100 may be amount. Sikaba on Semua. I feel the local Ministry of Trade. Now could have buying penny for Minister for Emma also more import lances. Yeah, Krata, Yama over the Krata, 2 million Krata. Import lances in 2 million Krata, a different cranium of Frebrucci. 2 million Krata, I declare name of Frebrucci, import lances in Pino. And he bought Gokus about P. He said, Nasa before he had the 2 million Krata, import lances, you know. I buy the amount, it's the amount, one crate, a year Abuchie and a tour. I buy so import duty, if you want to not buy so in a for whom pass opa. So I buy duty import lances now on the acronym. I said import duty.
Import duty.
Import duty.
Import duty, Prof. Yo.
I feel the address should be also a baby a friend Tikafa. Tikafa Jadi and Subaso.
Me ba to kire mu ye o se den Jadi. Prof nyabotrema me. Prof Mr. nyabotrema me. O se den
yeah, you need to coin e buy. The Japan ko vun bi crackers e ba. Na on the car ne ba. Abranti bi a wo sua driving onim car kan. Wo papa betima kotoka ne bi am. No biara person o di sika kakra koto ase no. Na when yi car and say lord ne bi am. Na what you are kakra ko sisi obetu aka awie. And no so na hihye ne frɛ no work and pay.
Now Prof na u ka adwadie be wo se tikafa adwadie.
Tikafa ka ya koto ma o tika no afaka.
Tikafa adwadie.
Tikafa ka anya adwadie tikafa car drivers. Ya kra car se ne mattress na abaso. Tikafa car. Tikafa. Na ndi na Prof no mi no ba ko fe ni do and I say work and pay. And this a car na car be at 10 million. Wonya be at 1 million and 2 million ko to ase na the car na mo. Na o de work and pay. Ko ni bi okofobia no tai bi pa onye sika nya no fra bi amwa. Ye frɛ no kufitela. Tiro di do to. Ko ni bi no fra bi amwa no na oyi car ni bi amankwa amrantie kanti kofobia car nyina na fa ni
kufitela ohun.
Kufitela TAYLOR. Urengi edi amo asisi edi amo form ni efin beka no wasa. Ni misi okofi. Phobia. Afi presby eye methodist asodan awon kokko no opposite ne dan bi a yashim hosa na kufitela dia. Titifo dwedifo pa ndi ka ho adwuma nko a. Enti ka say yi CVG almost kofobia ka tin na ene dia. Odu sika koto ase anu yi bia ma wo campaign. Bosumi wa na waye sisi kakrakra. Bosumi wa na waye sisi ne bosumi. Wa metua o bi a feli Caesar. Se wa metua ka no ka. O abrandi manti bi a wa fa from Caesar. CEAS arana bi bisa. Si bi a usi.
Na chasa o ma be sisi ka no.
O ma be o de safwa ye miensa nti wo ti ba ji ka no e de safwa ba ko pene be ma. Na mi no ko fitera nchen. No de ba ko ama Caesar for. Nti wo na nkoko otu kumase. Na wa mfaka na ma ulu otu tell sa ulu di we pa na o ma bi tukan safo a won nchen ti o tukan o si person ya po mu nyina nsi bom na ya chire kan no ya ba chire nsi e de ko nti na sa de na ye nti manfo yiri e ho bi tu ya kan na kan tem so ati
Prof Matias pa we de wa ma abakọ Sompa argudia e kire se kwofo enim dwadie bebia efriba ye ne farbai wode ni nyina e de amayen e wo Sompa 106
e kire abrofo abofo bi nso e de ho bekan dwadie no abrofo ne bi no de India fo e bi de Syria fo e bi de Lebanon fo na on de no on hihye ne se esan se mo ntitwi nti ye fa kwofo mranti a wo mo ntima nwie school no sa sedin fo no e na ono digwa no mati me bunkunta amawo nti Syrian for India for ne Lebanese for nti na efre kwa for say the Lebanese of West Africa no
hey wait a minute now your friend kwa for say woman no we the Lebanese of West Africa
mo we di jale say Lebanese won
we di jale say Lebanese na then na yesu nko e wo Lebanese for dwade hu ntia
na won de en say wo mo ton niam no fofofo uko tundu do no abeton o ton fufu se ni akọ na akoton obi nya ho bi
na na mu nsisi Womo na woni on di dwana na.
Send your man who found the door. You send a duana after Tonwa. Na duana 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches in Naduaka. Yes, I friend that do 6 inches. The Nina told. And to look out open gross. You know, SS. He just said, they want that come. Opens you up your upper destiny and near the scale. I will be among. Aha. And the Penfobu Besse or Colonia or Ontibro for the yesterday knit a quincy Sam. Or Coniba only woman and yesterday knit a quincy Sam. Or confounding system papa. Tiabrofoni John to say confound. So ban over top bentua do be open for man. Can you shade the normal top chances have an electric light in Mary as in Ticania near the Crescent Gum. And no nine crassy for me and crassy for you. The Colonies in Papa no judge Nipa is an opening to Fiam one or one. You could go Fiam one a woman. Or conquering Kufudia Cofania man be breed the gusto or ton a dua or ton crop beer a baffle from the and crop. Near friend a crabia. A crabia near 1 and 9. 1 shilling and 9.
Prof, I heard more interest, pa. Was it club beer? A buy
crop beer baffle from the and friend crop beer. We had the Sasia.
Near friend is saying
a crabia, a crabia, be a crabia. It's a butcher form, a butcher and sign. I did do a butcher. Now, crop on nerve and they made in Ghana. Now, on Sabi of Hennikis. You're on Sabi of Beggadoff.
But Hennikins, there's a bit of so.
Boy stout. Huh?
Hennikins need a bit of so.
I want to be a fan Iron Boy Stout.
Iron Boy Stout.
I want to be a fan Guinness Stout.
Guinness Stout. I don't know a bit of so.
Guinness is on starting in 1789 at so I will Kobe or Abochie a friend on Dublin.
Dublin.
Sompa FM.
Na Prof. Da abisa ye ntwetwebu na ye hu edin bi mo anim ado Sian Tata Brewery ana ye hu Kwus Motors anya bia say din we nyina no we shes edin da
oh ma shi abre me matna kran pe
o sa
me ba kran 1962 da kwa man koma dieta mahabo na no
na Prof
February 1st, 1962. Kwame Nkrumah be habo na wakra.
Sir. Na enimu ado din den na onim fa na ho.
Enimu ado. Oyobi a ofre bitifi. Odadua na busuam. Na okonkran te senya okoni bi akonkran ni bi. Okonkran no. Ena okode ne hokobo adwadifo. Ekwani company company be yes. If you want to be a store ni be a man. Na ofie nsika so yie. Na ebre ye Bank of the Gold Coast no. Abrofo no be kɔ no. Na empenifo na wo sika ni be pese top Bank of the Gold Coast. Yadi ma do no ka ho bi pese ka top Bank of the Gold Coast. Ela Kwame Nkrumah no pe socialism. On any America full system, capitalism. The rich richer, the poor, and Kwame Nkrumah ni hu bako. The Kwame Nkrumah ni America for ni Western powers and tell me that papa. And I'm sad and I never who say, "Oh man, mu bitimi yesika na fisika time. No be so here na abokoma wina na ya tin na. Atutum so ho. And then Kwame Nkrumah ko Eastern countries Russia and China for no kusua o system no. Nti oba no so omo bia nto bank no commercial bank house mato we house mato nti rather opedi ato shares nti obi na advice eni mo ado say shares no so ye onto Bank of Ghana for no idea Bank of Ghana e mining in a bank onto shares ni bi ho the shares kakra oto ni timi do ele bi so ye so Bank of Ghana our shares 1% kwa bi nti sika oboabo no nyaaye no and this a company be your friend First Ghana Building Society. And I then see it is all my estate and now way to Atunton. Sabe any be a man to a company First Ghana Building Society. And almost see a dime, I know about to be. wa open wa betu wa open na behind bi so na ma efia na metim me fie ura se oto na wani mu ado ho ala me kai adabraka na first Ghana Building Society na fie ura no ko je fie ni mo tutu aka na be ye ne dia oh nti sa estate adano sisi no any business or any stores will be a man for any money he obenye sika his day no the richest or the most affluent man
any mado no
Gold Coast time
na ajabia no any mado no so na wo twaka bi efa Ghana Commercial Bank wana
see Ghana Commercial Bank is Bank of Ghana 1953 never it be Ghana Commercial Bank
1953
the Gold Coast Commercial Bank ya ba Ghana na KBS Ghana Bank of Ghana ne Ghana Commercial
say name
so
na
no should be uti any ma be nyesi kana no should be a bank bi he says SSNIT Social Security no money Agricultural Development Bank no money man be or can who be na BBS bank.
Wow.
So now Mr. Sound what I know about him say ono so na oye adwuma e wo Accra oni company bi omo ye pretty edidim pan plate and now we sales boy a okoko fa ne ma beton pan plate na edidim enye plate e bo no de e mo no na ani mo ado fa ye san ekoba bi a factory wo na wakofa ne men bi abeton didim saa no so nya ne factory a mo so ye pan place bi
wow
no ye sika ka I do this and or ne be called Denmark capital if you know
Copenhagen
yeah ekosua ensa bi enye club for the NB club the ne lager beer
okay
club beer any star no nyina ye lager
okay
so na ese nsa bi oburuchira onoma said wo furu ihe o se kan san
wo furu nya kase
Sompa FM
wo mo tie nka se abuche ye topa anti mi se sound ne be call Denmark wo go so ya djuma ensan ye frɛ no Pilsner beer
but me was also a friend is saying
Pilsner beer Pilsner
Pilsner beer
yeah Pilsner na mo betu ya no kakasi o
Pilsner beer
and you have Tata Pilsner beer
oh Tata Pilsner beer
na esichire nim bibiri sa onuma enkofa hypertension ye minimum bro so and obey sa factory no or this 2 million started man 1972 or this 2 million and the started man
where Prof you better was pa say me ma kwan say before maybe sasa question ma me bisa we answer baba who say eye kwofo dodo na aya na mo mpe amanyosem dodo na so dwo uhu bibisa na
me hu ye pa kwofo na no ya 1992 constitution sem ya na kwofo de ho akọjọ MPP NDC sem ama on idimiti ewu policy kwofo pe politics me say ni mo ado adi ochi number 1 politics ani mo abiti ni ye adi a ochi number 1 any politics and me kai say I dey alleged na so na en komo na e play wa kai e me say sound starting na you know starting the party no and ani mo abiti na say no ampa no ko bo politicians no na tempuan we nya ampa no say o tembo to say be no betima ya onye nsa and they alleged you mbam to be tia on ko fam din ko na bushia for ma chile so ena mi se ni mo ado e frɛ ni tu se san fo se on pa ni 2 million no anye kakrakra me hu de ye ena a champion ba power e se a champion e politician ade no ho bagi party ni ma se na ye chi mo ni de se no ko sa de e se ma chan million a 90 million ena de bo am se san ma ye 12 million to party no train anche na ku ba ya Rollins no
this is Sompa FM
betu a champion no feel afi na ese Rollins no ba 79 no bibia ekukọ ne mamu na obi a wadwuma no aban sa won bia na ese omo de ondem de distribution se de kikiki agigi krofo ne ma eno ne me de ko di smart ni fi business na won mu 1972 ebe ji ma ti ni cheji ni de ni BC
I don't know that's why I until the we say change company did and the same
from a Tata Brewery to ABC.
ABC.
I buy the Rollins never confiscate.
Oh, okay.
Mom says sound two Ghana Hakotna Liberia. Oh, it is politics to be a MPP, MPP, Abochie. And can confirm the politics. Now, all other commissions they will learn their lesson. That's it. Yeah, the Yamede. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, me va try to Prof.
Yeah, the Yamede get the enemy, Mantiano. We got to climb and see the green now. Because we do how new castle cocra can't come to one. Because we castle no issue, conform with the minimum. Or the trust rocker man which you see castle in. They bring him a castle in Creda. Wow. Also, the big castle, the local canton.
I could do yo, where the Prof, you better was say, Basabre, you can't 1 year. Young father say 1 year or the 4 hour Ghana hapa. 10 richest Crow citizen in the history of Ghana. Prof, over to me, am I in the 10 richest citizens of Kwawa?
Ghana. One was the cash you could to come and be a basa, the person who was Ghana. Bank is also only auto security. Bank phone aid the schools will be a good bank. And it is also to be a way to can name the idea one say exhibit in the idea. Only panels you have sent me and sounds room or 9 Kumase or be or how or I feel or being I pick us a running over 20. Chanaman ye di hu so buska so I say ubu akwa no akodo koku no akoto no wa trim na okof agriculture side ya owo koku be se be 20-50 acres na Chanaman ye di access enti eno de ya ejina nchen ne de di hwe hu so nipa yesikani eni adan bi do awasi stores do owo mpo do awado akas do owo ne ajapade ahodo ne bi enti eno de o kan se ne kan sa ade ya and the media the many who meet Mambo Cafoni be a chiro.
And the boss Cafoni di Mitrain.
Yeah,
and but the Unimable watching.
The late is a ESBD I put in a Japanese and ESBD I could film price. And let's come in a Japanese our agent in Worcester. And let's can East Cantonment from a Japanese or and then my boot to Uncle Worcester. Kisini Martin in Quetia price go good time. Go call in Sassin and Yaman no more. Say now on Wuska. Kisini Martin is back coming to my head. I put some good damn before. Or no Marco I'm in Comasa. And you can see coaches your now if I go cultural Martin and see and 1 2 years coin a market. It's what the could be a matter. And you can be a friend only me no back on the kissy. Keeping price so Martin so free Quetia. No, see monthly Quetia and a Martin feeling price. Oban price will run about to have a MPP for headquarters one. And the sandboard MPP for sandboard ball. It's any idea. Oh, until Martin I am cultural on the culture on my marker. In those days, Sadasco Quetia on see in the Japanese no Worcester. A minimum will be Tiasi. A jumper do, Sadasco. Also, Quetia. Afe Britannia Hotel a Jampedu. A year to be a new boo on Wakabe Bill about 20 years. The Japanese say now Otias Nuska. Atala and the business all HS knows Uska, Atala. KK Pipra business all HS Uska. KO for the business all HS Uska. I see a man swagger contractors who go or would the other. And the business all HS Uska and the Japanese Uska. Ye I precum on your corporatism. Minister of Fuel and Power, not BBHS and Uska. I say more fancy could you also turn electrical and say, I'm also.
Sompa FM.
I put Tosu Bukua on our business fine. Esiko bepon or business fine. Kwaku fori kwaku me ho obo ogu dada. Ono so na business say obo nya akon gi ni din, obo kori e baji din. Esikafo hene je claimants and price over gi ni din. Problem offer no fan kwamre opani kwamre de mo offer no. Ono so mamoni ni bia na nje me bo bonko bo mbedi ni mamoni. Ono so no ye kwafo hene wachi mo da. Nto kwamre de ono so na lebere so no so kakra. Kwesi da the Lion House on and price no da. Ono so na ti asene bi kakra ono. Data no nsawom onso ofrim price so ho ma no so ma me simpa ubo onso ba bia hu se na japade ne se ne business akuya se wa ubo onso no ton to mapa o makola ho amajemfu a onso ton ku ho ties ko ta fo onso na business se nyame ato nsem afi ma me danso a kan north condition no yin ku ton the north condition ma me danso a obi enimu sa ni sa na kakra de min so nti ma mto biti di amane ha no na one
for seekings manti seekings din
biti ma bo mu awuli din amo abo ma baso posthumous di awuli so ya dia ubo na baso a posthumous
manti seekings din seekings
seekings din rom seekings seekings of friend they on no crap paint
no yeah Oboming.
Madam Papa and secret. Then also and come so and the Muslim who find him in a radio so man heading. Prof. For be doing and yes, a bon ambassador and Bunyam.
Yeah.
That's what
yeah.
And I said, and you're calling him Kuroko Fris and the Kurban debate my bon ambassador. I'm on a citation, a very big citation.
Yeah.
And I'm not for Munti, I did. I did a Bonipa Basuna, and Munyam number 1 and Yiska. The very big citation. Citation, you be beer. You did come about Baswa and Munyam. Mrs. School Gamma citation, and the above office,
yeah.
Kiss have been Montessori school.
Yeah.
So I was saying retired educationist stroke MCS
Sompa FM.
Maybe I'm making culture you.
Yeah.
Within the Philip Kwaku Puku Siama, also known as Professor Kasanoma.
Hey.
Citation in Munsemuni. In recognition of your distinguished career and profound contributions to education, your unwavering dedication, visionary leadership, and commitment to academic excellence have left an indelible mark on the field of education. Through your exemplary services, you have significantly advanced educational standards, fostering a culture of intellectual curiosity and lifelong learning. Your remarkable achievement as a professor, a professional master of ceremony, and your tireless efforts in shaping the minds of future generations have earned you the deepest respect and admiration for all. Congratulations. And all my been plans to be tiffin quality of boat to not be piazza, but be I inform Islam Monia citation, and he say,
wow. Prof, that was say, why are dear pa? And I would school them, watch Rayang, Abakosema, and
home for 40 years.
That's a teacher there for 40 years. I have Branty B. FM on Facebook. Your friend Derek Mensa Yeboa, or your Kawunima pa. Or say is some now okay to do about some with Yibida. So Derek, thank you so much. And our branch is your friend Yao Bernard Ashes. Or say Sompa, we are Sompa Ampa. You better say Mama Efua, former regional director, Bunu East Region, Ghana Education Service. Or say bravo, Prof. Why are dear pa? Efua Asabia say a great learning experience. We love the uniqueness of your program, Sompa. Keep it up. So thank you very much. Justice Kojo Kosa, I say, Prof, keep up the good work. Thank you very much. And Elizabeth Kisiwa says that nice presentation. In fact, Prof, why are dear pa? Why are dear? Why are? Just how dear from more. And now the Akosiku pa. Now, Prof, what are you? I never did some. What did you saying?
Oh, I was born on the 12th day of February.
Sompa FM.
The year of our Lord. 1947.
Hey, Prof.
Now February, I'm 78th birthday.
Ah.
I'm not 78.
Belated happy birthday. The extra mo yida senya me be koso ama kwantenten ahoden wom. Na obetimi asama onyansan emu do. Say de be ya yen radio.
The ready be fa radio so ama. Human rights for. Ya breso no. Na ya machicha for kwa mo mutwa ya ba. Oye bonni a o ma party mi twa wa ba no wasan atwe ase akoma headmaster ni abo wa ba bi aka. Kwesiera wa nkwa sori a wo ba school a wo di aba. O push up ni bi no so niema abrewa bi so niema wa nkwaje na o be report wo case. Eniema no motiti sa no o de boy empa discipline very high. And human rights for the Article 11, the 1992 Constitution, or the Obako Funko as a child labor. Maybe I may have permitted Ghana. If you want to teach a foreigner, education director for the mount, or Kwanako Bakwalaba, you don't remember ye. You are Bokoba, Nakorana, Kopira, and Bisa. And no Kakrana, Abomuna, Massa, the Omapo, the Yaba, and a book. Then it's teacher for. We are calling in some Kakrana Babo, Chima Kakrano, or what kind of things and so dear. Now, Kurana, the Nokre, Sanquala, Papa.
Crowny, dear Sanqualano. Sanqualano.
Sanquada, Papa.
And the Usu say, and come Marbono. Yaman in some breast school, no mobile. But a teacher for no bomb mana. Omunya ding. Womo embon.
Yes, baby, across a baby asa. Ebi a teacher ni bi de ebufu ko ba akoda bi na eboro so. Na bi akofo hawaba. Eno ho. But percentage wise say kakra bi a teacher for no na ye nkyere won kwanko a ye fa so 100k. E akoda ba bi ho aye mbo ye fa ba mo ho. So ye breso de we chititiri ni ebo aba ye do two table so ni ama 6 sport lashes. Wa ma so ko sie da ajoda ba obedi 3 ho 6 sport lashes. Bi a onto so the back and now in them.
Because Tabaramico School or Jack and Jill Preparatory School. Oh, Roman Regional. I won't cry. Because teacher be Mr. Cancer, me really feel that. Or bombing maybe call me up to now, but they shape me well. But even now, within the Ghana Education Service, so person who bark or that bar. Nipa obeti me bark or that bar no. Your head teacher no. Na obark or that bar ni wia. Just say Ochrogu logbook muse. Mabo akwalana aba say ni say. Teacher ni bi any to me. This a head teacher no. And the betimi abo aba. Obo wi a no Ochrogu krata muse. Mabo eye akwala so mesi abra aba. Na say ababo no say ewo ho.
Ni ho. Ya breso no. Ni mebu hanye head teacher sem. Ya say bi anopa ye hot mental atirie. Esi 10. Uti ba ko awaba ba ko uti mi no awaba mi no uti mi you get hot dictation and so be a 10 uti ba ko awaba ba ko no manya head teacher so ya you know so say homework ya dey ama wan ko su tina dey dictation number 1 crocodile so me crocodile number 2 turkey number 3 balloon number 4 biscuit number so home can man me dey do dictation ya ma homework ko su after the you are a crocodile and what you crocodile so
Prof
biscuit and what you biscuit will be about
biscuit no actually biscuit obedi aba
so on your man when you na boy in classroom o try enso nye fa obedi aba you have to cross your T, you have to dot your I, you have to cap your J. That means na boy my writing and here no as I have a copy book email we are so near and then quite answer no cotton to a club handwriting. Club handwriting or to club handwriting cotton to quite a baby a club handwriting.
All right, Prof, you better was say. I was also idea how no, Odi Atuja, Edia Fasum Power of 6.5 FM. So I won't cry. Me kai staba na me chira de wo tuo bodom. Ye fi tuo bodom ye capital town na aha na me chira de wo tuo bodom RCJHS. Na me chira maths and science.
Sompa FM.
Ara me bo aba pa. But me mana womo etimi frame ko buy no. There was sport bi or Techiman, your friend or hideout. Every bit na police ni bi ba ho. O say sir only me. And I'm saying me kai ho. Also what you my dear to bottom RCJHS 1996 1997. Na o ya de pa say ya wukra. Aja wukra mentimi anko manim. Enti the Guinness 1 crate. Enti the Guinness 1 crate. Enti baba so bono.
Papa bi ton ayi bi na me kire ne ba ade e wo school. O de fe bi mere na kwala so TV so kasa o kan news. Na ti papa no fe say and me kire ne say papa mpacho radio station bi na no kasa. Hello.
Yes. Enti Prof. My yenda was why? Say uma ho kwan ma ye ne wudi nkomo enawie. Why ya dey pa? Da nyame me pacho why dey pa?
Odi phone number me na.
Na pacho me pacho wo ne hwan?
Me baba ku eko school woni ho. This is oye Oma news wo TV so won kan.
Hey, Oma news wo TV so. Your friend is saying.
Your friend Good Mary.
Oh, you.
Edino me say was trying the dini kakra. Your friend Guahima Mary.
Yo, where you better say fact phone ma Prof na me nana say. Na em fa common embrace. You fa na cap common embrace. Prof.
Yo.
Prof.
Hello, Majiso.
Yo. You're from
me. I'm a telephone number and see you. I'll be an umbi number for my wife.
Mate, Fatuja.
024 be out here, Mohono. On Toronto 024 614 35 26 for MTN. 024 614 35 26.
Sompa FM.
What happened is 050 700 7207. Vodafone 050 700 7207. Chiro Professor Akasano Mampazuko. Professor
Yo. You better was say that's what
after 7 o'clock me dan temti.
Now that's Swedro contractors is uni mo pa.
I mean, I'm Swedro contractors.
Derek mention you was Danny Offer.
If you could be an outside graphic for her.
Oh, okay.
I train against the bank in only for her.
Oh, okay.
And if I'm saying I'm an awful
good. Yo, Prof, you better was say, Yami sure why? Don't tune kwanem, and kwan holding womb. Na sika bebre emeka unsa but nkwada Prof akire wade nyina no Prof ekasa osompa ene kowo ye kokko bukoko a mungonko sra Prof eman Prof ya da say
my ready something and you be a person man me bibia on fa the teacher must not guide him. The teacher must not guide
Prof, you see, this is a nice experience. Experience we say be the here no, especially on radio. Watching at dear, abakosam we oh. Yes, I got a book be. I don't wait me I can free more. But through the ingenuity of Prof, Sankomwe, yetimian komwe free of charge. Ewo Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country. Somebody says, Nana Owa Hene Champon says that Ghana's finest afternoon social political program, I call Sompa 106.5, possessing the airwaves. All right, so thank you so much. Atake Samuel says that, good evening, the boss. I'm watching you live in Techiman. Keep up the good work. Greetings to Honorable Adom K. Johnson, MC Techiman North, from Kwata Esue, chief driver. He's saying in this one. And then Yao Bernard Asher says that Sompa Ampa. Green Street, what's a prof?
Monkomo no professor to professor.
What's a prof?
Look right.
Yes, I wanted to comment on that.
Interestingly, Prof, am I highlights via Mijidi Sagana for the duo no etie sa interview including in Penny4 Crown no etie no can be brain because Abakosem no Prof dia to Jani be very insightful. Now it would take only a living human being at this time as I'm no Prof I refer to no. Now Otiasia or ye interested in national issues because insights now Prof Amano and idea be very revealing and Prof also questions now o de ma Prof no me did say Emma onyamo a friend is saying space to me kaka ono akasa ni trimu and you maybe cry onimu a nanka enkomo e bia na wa fambe mu no o questions no eboa e ma ono so na junu ko enti enkomo very
interesting ba ye kwa amaroso na ye ni Dr. Amwakoba endi eye enkomo many Dr. Amwakoba e ba bedi enkomo. Well, one of the leading members of the New Patriotic Party, but now he's calling for a new party, a new face of the New Patriotic Party. Dr. Amwakoba, Sompa FM, Yamakwaba for God and Country, Jumediso. Now, I hope to send dog. Nyamiadum, oh yeah. Now, no, whose story be, and the story says that, who proposes, Ankabeya. Anka MPP amanyokuo no kraro e wasamuti amanyokuo bi frim agebiano is it real? Is it a true story? And if it's a true story I will propose this at this particular time in our democratic dispensation.
True story. See, we in town now for video. Now, that's what I'm making. Yeah,
feel the heat. Sompa FM.
No, ever so. What to for? I can't open the business for. I can show you now for. So, no, I can't talk to Jana. Because 1 year time, it's because I have walk about now. It's done and no country, no worry. This is called the the party in Tamale, Passapan Kwan. So, Yamiatam, you've been in 18 years. That's now we just come. Upon the bra, the fire bra, a third company, which is the regular.
Where the doggy, your best row. As a your line no Chimatoka Krebia Baho. Yeah, the line for na because na any workers as a way no emunda ho etie for no ente kasani we dey yesro pa ante yebesa process ya your process ya dog we yo Sompa 106.5 FM so na market ya pa na jumedi ya ugusu a wuti for God and country ana wasugusu a wuti na yene Dr. Amwakoba and an Edin Komono, one of the astute members of the New Patriotic Party. Now, said the community any or per se yet new political party out of the New Patriotic Party. Argentina or proposing for the formation of a new political party. That one we don't know. So it's for that reason why Ayatu and Safred say Mbo asamna yeti yeno say no kre anase enye no kre. Say no kre then o jina soa. Enti waka say e was say yeti eye amanyokro fufuro. So this is for God and country. Busia the
Fagimpa abajafa. So the rich market said 2016 the campaign. We did say me friend Dr. Amwakoba to far. Go call him or say call east, say call west, the call say north. And the inquiry in the Russia. We are my school. Why do you no hold in our day? Because we are committed to the party. So yeah, winning. In fact, me na me ya juma wa say no, there the bridges me would be. They are winning and also there no one should you won't because they knew she am was 3 days later and everything. Because we were committed
say ebe ya deni nti e build party no anu na nipa na no mo ko mo gye di pa o say mo ma ye mpo na mo yesa mo pa de na mbo na so ya to de ya koma na do afi de o de koma ne bushafo na pansam so ati party na sakra nipa na wo mu no o mu nim party form penifo bia on se obi a pesika won o mu nyina di na chi on na sika no kura no e ya ban sika wo na o mu di na chi o be kan ko an hia obi a ana e de sa bidu be bia edri pansam e ka ya brogu ho nya sam kiti wo you say ya ka standard debt no kan almost $40 billion 40 billion what you are saying interest no ka ya ni anti so it is all fair we shall for nipa no o say we shall for parliamentarians say yen pay finance minister o say me fam ono ana pay no na che say akodu be ya I say the bonsam bia gi ye party na fa na wo hia asusu a the other party no nya ono nko a amaka party young men na omo no ono na omo hia no ntu ka so mo bia fi ono na omo tie na sem because the honest can wo so nti omo so saa na omo so ye so pasa o si sa party no untimi zana nya na do nko na eye no fault omo no so ma ye saa bi na chese de obeto ya an say we free party no because o yire na wa kutu no fu ana so nti asoma wo kan chese ja na o so ja no yes o ahia no akopon na akofa so ba
na me ba so o kasa no ka bibi se eye party no nanado e de na busuafo e na de abaye party this is na sikasam so edi omanim e wo amanyoku nanim na onjindi se mo amoye mpanyifo party no no sabre party na akọ opposition no na mo betimi akasa da magye party na siesie party no
oh da bi ba da waje so we try kra na we yi so yi na na do fuma be da waje na so na say you know we you of fuma young men na mo party no mo di na chi no o de ko mo ne ko o na your office so really we on my committee suicide and na so man ka se the party ni ye ko ereti baby the between cho no sa afro he na you bet court na kwa ha election no kwa be defeat before you start
na sa party dia mo pensakra e o mu a mo kwa elections I mean next year no mo be call mo national delegate conference and aka mo be to aba
national delegate conference no o mo kwa party no msezi no o free man
na sa o ma be pre debre na debre no ma be pre no mo timi ai campaign etia mo na
sikana kodi wo mo ena last yenya nya say mpo wuntumi o twa ya but isika buku mtu no woni e de na ye no so eno so be ne o ma o be ba mo man a o ko fa hin etino che so hia ko be bi no de mo fa akuna ma ye nta mo fa
anti doggy my mean bisa say party ben na o pesa what here
you need a tentative, a temporary. Sure.
A temporary, very tentative. That is what you are lead to. But I'm asking the name of your proposition for the name of the party.
National Patriotic Front.
National Patriotic Front. That is what you're proposing then?
Yeah, that's one of them. Our new Patriotic Front. The embassy are quite too far away from new Patriotic Party. Not as it.
Okay.
It is the best say you didn't. Amafonsa we no
Sompa FM.
Ani ebe ka cho mo ye na ekojira no ye na papa no na ye ja bone na mo mo fa de on be bi am but then ko for na 2 gram say what I say what you that no
me ba say mo party man 2 gram say
naka we say obi adwoni what I say
hey na mo party man be na 2 gram say
anyway, call you.
Oh, so he who alleges must prove.
Don't say it. For step they are born. As small can you he who alleges to what alleges that they are necessary who prove we.
But that has been the saying we grew up to.
He who alleges does not have to prove. You can substantiate something, but you don't have to prove. what prove the anuano and any longer allegation. I proof. Now you can't say. You can't something see I know Obiaka and Crano go Obiaka and so wrong.
So dog, it's a learning experience for our listeners and some of us over here. So what would be the right phrase of words or words to put together to connote that expression that I've just put out there?
Share my memo example.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
called MPP foreign branches in kind of which one. In fact, they started some kind of if I call or can't tell me won't come from. I'm sure I won't tell me doc and Cassindia. As once we came to the same conclusion said that that is what they said. They knew Munka Sampo, no one who said that or say a former new party. That is what they said. Says here no Mukasa. Then say young one who's that. So now we are the how long are you going to keep doing the same thing? Why? Yes, easier so by your party easier than so conform new party. But so won't mean yes, sir. The next is on to me.
Sompa FM.
Now, new proto party, and if you buy, anyone to buy. It takes a while. But you 4 years you can reach my back. It takes a while. I ask you about it. But as we are determined, you will see. Ghana for who say, hey, and now my better year far, and one of the anymore. Almost said
But dog, sir, and our Lisa Hotel, air party no Shiemu. Now, one Shiemu no, a Professor Michael Quay committee. A pound say onion Shishemu Adukudentia, Emma party needing to over the 2024 elections, Amaniano or the Kodan party in Nra. Don't you think, sir, it's one of the steps towards making sure they reconcile the grassroots and the leadership of the party to make sure victory is achieved in the 2028 elections?
In your grassroots and the party, no. The party leadership says, sir, I'm going to name the I'm going to Becca and so much party supporters. Grassroots, right? Yeah, said the regional, most tumultuous, is Ashanti region. I want to pay attention to. And it's all your research now. You had the non-conference. More details of what went wrong than anywhere else. Now we are, as you are other reasons, no say no reduce kaka. Now we are in the years one. And one person here fan say, I don't call your research. I could no account government, or you're the wrong person to lead any research like that. What you say? And if I was part in Massa, well, him there, yeah, I don't know what our man says, sir. In Bissau, Camp, MPPC breaking the 8, 2024, they will break the 8. Yes, sir. Break the 8. You'll break the 8. You'll break the 8. Break the 8. Until I don't go wrong, now break the 8. I think kind. After no moment, I'm one yard cry. This is some. Yes, you really know what you are talking about.
Sir, Doggy, excuse my language. Sir, Okase, MPP for Bonga, you are part of the New Patriotic Party. And
because when you are saying that this time you shouldn't go to the opposite direction to the west. What I say? Not just say you don't know what you are talking about. And that's all very logical. Logic. Oh, yes, I'm kikao. I'm on a some kikaki. A nyansa, and yet tinting, and I yet titia. Nyansa near the no cry. A mobra. Let me ask you. Because services. Upon it, whenever the animal. If look at this, upon your market on Friday, Freemason, yes, sir.
Yeah.
And your bosom, and I'm not on a so. Yes, sir. Bontama, one who's a Bontama or Bonnie Father. Oh, not just me.
Freemason, was it Freemasonry, Abun Samson?
Like I said, stop from the back of Reverend Sacks or Vacata, Munumupa, who doesn't want it, Munumuja, want it. So Munumuja Muja, and Freemason, I stand your cotta hole, they catch your morty. But
those are mere sayings and allegations by but there's no proof to that effect. And do you have a proof to the effect that Freemasonry, do you have any concrete evidence?
Freemason wants some dana. I didn't say no be just how the only mushy and the will. Only the Freemason and Christianity. Only that.
You are telling me.
I'll tell you then, listen to me then. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
What I said. Nintin Mecca be against Freemason and Yanokre. Freemason is demonic. So him time in control.
Okay, so
Dr.
I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you.
What I say? As me go cultic groups, Omukumi, initiation. Almost and I'm saying, well, who take? Because I miss something. They catch your market. It's not because I just saying something. Meaning, some in the past month, I've got about 25 heart attacks. And I'm just saying, don't get me on that track. What I say. The young Costa. Someone and you never young. Tambena, we catch yourself on some one. Tambena catch yourself. Near Kansa, who will not defend you, and this all defense.
I am not defending them, but I'm only trying to establish the fact that perhaps I don't have any evidence to that effect. So I need to follow up with questions. No, I need to follow up with questions for you to know that yes, indeed, I'm not defending them, but we need to establish the facts. And if what you are saying is the fact, you allude to your fact. That's what I just want to say.
Yeah, my main cousin.
Me too.
In Europeans, long ago, we are member of a secret society. You are not allowed to hold public office, main control. Because in years and years, I don't know. So you are secret society. And then the church won't hear Guru Emma won't go for secret. And I'm secret. And they are saying, no, this is why you're going to just know you will be beyond. I don't know ye in some non coye, and find I mean, yet one. Top of the custom car, yeah, it's on it. I see some carry, won't be Brubunti and Yanokre. And they are saying, who's on your
Doggy, from where you sit, we want to find out from you, even though the content of the report are Michael Okwe, former Speaker of Parliament, party, content, from where you sit, what would you say, sir, contributed significantly to the defeat of the New Patriotic Party in the 2024 elections?
Oh, that's all here. List of people who contribute. Yeah, the leaders of the party in one. No,
the leaders of the party.
The leaders of the party, me, Alice, well, you say 9%. Can it be crowned on Indian? I say 9%. And I don't, you say 60 something. Now, I can't say you.
Are you referring to the Global Info Analytics survey?
I know, MPV, they are not researching the new and no answer on the kind. To maintain once. Global Info Analytics, then American. Now, we are listening in leaders of the party. Now, I dare you, leaders of the party are contribute to the defeat of the party. You can say it.
As soon as Bamba leaders in the day, dear, the same party in the 2024 elections.
Oh, baby, leader power number one, Nanado, on the assembly, or ya do pay. So, what you say. Just say, yeah, Papa, mechanism. In person, mechanism once a man, I say, if you are mechanism, you go for no mechanism. You move on. I campaign for him forcefully with my own money. I can say, dear Ghana, you could be and campaign manager, like what I did. Yeah, better bridges. Oh, I come back. I want to come back. Yeah, NDC stronghold. Almost say, yeah, in San Paye. Almost can't come. I come back for. Yeah, in San Paye. What I did. You could do almost 1 month for her. A building bridge. I can't see. Yeah, need office no. And I never see and you could build a wooden bridge in a country fashion. Echo. Yeah, free her. A back stepper. A bed on the footbridge. And also a solution. Almost to me. You don't know my. And into your brother's average, the whole day, they free her. I seen love a couple of the bridges were in a coin. Just until yesterday, men pen another person. Yeah, Jumano, I don't know, oh, you know, when I'm so, oh, all that guy, I believe in him, in your break, or you're strong, or you're honest. I say, tell me, yes, I know.
But Doc, is there a disconnect between you and the leadership of the New Patriotic Party?
Even when I was criticizing them, I was still talking to some of the leadership. No one names are. I was talking to them. I was advising them. There was a situation you were second year saying, party for be a contoka. I told them some content and I'm going to set the sweet and then talking, yes, South City to be new account. Not just a time party. There be mean time party. I give constructive criticism. I want pet. And this all come while watching the BBR, the end, leadership, and also no more.
When was the last time your former president Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo etenasi dinkomo?
One time I went to see him, and I Rebecca said, gatekeepers numbers or person, mama, president to whom. And eventually, on one I said, until I went to see him. Because nonsense. He had been telling the president something.
Sompa FM.
And some of the president kind of say, one party in for no support a young man. And one person, they are more free party. He has 70 years. Party neither. Someone to support one move. I can't keep trying to become the nothing. That's it. No, yeah, president, we shouldn't do that. I can't do that. I'm not only me. I can't tell. Oh, we can't someone to her. She miss me there. I saw no worker. Every party is a party order. Never in going to make us all. And into your own person for Qatar. Almost to say, son, your money never out. So I say. Now we say, Papa. Never and can't share your mother. One can't say. Let me some fun. For party. For me, as far as I'm concerned, is dead.
But you say, Yao Mupao.
I'm before Yao Mupa. Now, more can't say, Opiancasa. Say, me must spend in the city. I'm what it dead room or no about I break and say no and break it in the phone. And in that dead day, Otiko Yabaka, and I say, and Sukahu, and all that rally. I was already there. Let me tell you. No, all kinds of cats and am I winning? Yeah, Juman. Oh, yeah, what you call Chrome today? I didn't hear what with that. It's just saying.
I wish you for Sompa 106.5 FM senior market your pa. Yede Dr. Amwakoba, one of the astute and leading member of the New Patriotic Party and Newe. Yedin Komo, I was Sompa for God and country Jumedi so. Now back to your party. Now party now person what you know. Sir Ubun Kompo Eko Wechi Kakra. And you share a nano elections here. It was Alan Kojo Chiremanteng, one of the members of the New Patriotic Party, a leading member, of course. Because of one or two things, or you knew free party and Okoti movement. So I shared the performance of Alan Kojo Chiremanteng in the last election. It is nothing to write home about. Do you think, sir, party uno upasa otieno Ghana for Babajo Swana?
If I show, one is NDC otieno, 30 years in the emergency. And after 3 days later, in the emergency. One is NDC. You tell me. MPP no more a new party. How long did it take before people really accepted it? One can tell me. Yeah, can't someone. Be beautiful for that. I'm can't say the move. Sunny about the party. You supposed to say, yeah, ever take it. Why and sound no more and the one year. Then you go no go. A good. And to be a piano, I say, I am social. None a canoe. I dear baby, I am social. And to you be determined.
Until with this new
Pesca, no, Mr. Pierre Newkind was a party now could be partly now could in another, and the Akoshu from Tate Pine. And you're no correct. I was saying, I can't sound a book. And you're no correct. Shadia Costo, Obia Pesca, the ECG, Minister, CEO, ECG, and sign a board chairman, board members too. I don't do so. Yeah, I'll do it. I don't want to be that. What criminality is that? Maybe party needed criminality. Oh, Debbie, and let me party now. That's that I would never have joined the party. What I say? Yeah, just too much. Enough is enough.
So giving the opportunity now, sir, ABI, you want to remain within the party. The leadership of the party.
I don't want to remain within the party. I don't.
You are just bent on leaving the party.
I have left.
You have left.
What you say?
And want to establish something on Sompa Radio. Says ya say unye NPP ni amanyoko ni bio.
You are not a member
of the New Patriotic Party again? It's a question I'm asking you.
See, I'm not willing to can't say yeah, but I'm telling you, ever since 2016, beyond frame any some question beyond one time brother. Tell who have for Kumasi as Sumpadia. When is Kumasi Sports Stadium fundraiser. What I say? Mina me here, me see kind of there. There's only one person who help me. A friend said, Mrs.
Sompa FM.
So I say, yeah, Mr. Ko. Party performed by ya. On my budget and up to today, in terms of hey, Papa, party Papa, no. Mummy won't to me. That's why I'm a concern. Mummy, won't to me, no friend offer. Me near close. Me tuneful. But who tune for home? So I say, now, what now? A man here, I did an answer for Vovidia. Now I call Bassano, yes, one year. Yes, some party. A partner here, Chairman. Partner here, so in here, sir. I did a moment say. I say, the are a fan. You see, Abochie branches needing me from. I won't catch on the dog. Don't waste your time. Decision about could do no. The army, I say, if I could do. The who said that's the only thing left. Now, I'm saying, God is my witness. A man who said, won't drink any year because rotten, I could do too deep. So, what do you another from ground? And you don't find I'm a young one. All the people who brought you here, they got 2016. And Nado and Okoyi, John Body, acting. But we are by. They're Freddie Way by. And besides, say, party in BB Cobone, Waneka. Catch me. Waneka. Now, let's not lead us some more. Won't you consider evidence? Yes, a party capture into the end. This one day, or say, Yahoo BB, let us be speaker in mind. No matter how many now could you one side of you, a day I'm over. A day I'm over. Then I mean, met my in national executive. In a met my.
Auntie Dr. Abochie, sir, I did say na party penny for 2 and a mamba horse. Oh, doggy. The air and yanya dear, for a bonnet chain. That's a bra party no more. Wunkwana.
Me pacho. Me decided a party na say a cobonino. 4 years ago, and you know, 4 years ago. I know I'm running for national chairman. No, yes, post can I make it. I thought that if I could become national chairman, I can help the president. Someone can't question them, make a channel. And I with the agency or say agency, 18 people on the voting money because we'll be a pesca until the president. And the next, so be a pesca, the president can come and a demo. The president in the school I work on a superior and union. One can tell me, is it? And you answer the people my own. And you'll be all your thing, and I'll be all your teacher. Nansa, and you'll be on one fair, will be on one of it. I dare some granny. The names are. What do we want? If you are young, one ever tell I did the other. My main can show. Country here about Bessie. The soldier for Adiafano. A friend say, Glory.
Burkina Faso.
Burkina.
Yeah.
Leader no. I said Ghanaian politicians are thieves. 10 years.
Now, wait a minute.
I read it. And
then I've not come across it.
That is what he said.
Also, Ghanaian politicians are thieves. Wow.
Now, more to come on the movie. And some are costing baby brain to motivate Japan and Napa and at the end, I suppose. And that's there's a scandal. PBS at the end, share ECG. Ubersum at the assembly. Now, don't my answer saying, and that's how we are woman. So, I am one woman now. Yeah. We are back to be mentioned. Until
2024, maybe so 2024 elections, not to Abana.
Oh, we're not there. One trouble. Baby, one trouble. Because nothing to control and ma me and the party no mean to me. The only yam and each and nothing control now. Baby. But a mom won't come home with sometimes I want to once it. Now you could be very smart and should move in some who know mechanicity, no business. He who alleges must prove. And I can so. When I can't certain so. When I can't certain, logically it doesn't make sense.
So what does it make then?
He who alleges must prove. And he for you not 7 American. Then it's one of our who to play the Baho and I say something.
Sompa 106.5.
On a catch
FM.
Not just in I do. And for you know, no, or soldier for any police war, any detectives on your investigation, and I will catch them. Maybe on all the cancer, that's just what my government take off. Until I'm a hand over start your piece of your investigate. Munko and Paddy can hear no crack. More move. And I said, well, my is still all possibility. There be a hundred kind. You will say, but you won't see. No. Other than that in itself, that's a big issue. As you said, yeah, one is for, one is against. Other, someone can say, or before we visit general could be so now.
And Dr. Bakubai, answer na yebe jaw mako kra no. Party ya wo ba beti. Adebia no wan mo na e kan ho a mo ba beti sa party no.
Oh, nipa na yebebre. Oh yes.
Obetimi ama edin be 5 are strong within the New Patriotic Party on ground. Obetimi ama edin be 5 are strong people within the New Patriotic Party.
Oh mama permission say mo bo mo din zone.
Eti obo shase.
O kapre ya be how much is
Doctor Wakoba, Okoboy me the pa. I would have wished one day we buy a studio had any Eddie Kobo one. And the bill says your bank crying. I don't cry, you don't cry. You can't cry. I want to tell you. I was in Grannis Caro. Okay, doggy. Busy with himself, Abre, MPP Amanyo Kuechita 40. I know some of them will be resonating with the kind of message you've put out there. And you any message to the public out here, Sompa 106.5 for God and country, Jumedi?
Maybe there's some American say, maybe I do to say no. I did initiative now, they buy, and you mean, I mean, you never pick a home. You stop, you can't tell me, I mean, somebody to me because I was some convinced woman, in your names, uncle. I was one
FM.
So, as I know, and then someone who said, and then that's a free one. Your trap point of no return. 4 years ago,
Doggy. So, Ukachem said, what trap point of no returner? Then you cease to be a member of the New Patriotic Party.
So I want jump in the
But is that really the case?
Oh, send them account.
Per inference. The deductions and the inference in the kind of statement you've just made, then it means that you are not a member of the New Patriotic Party again.
Open them a cash amount, yes, sir. Come on,
come on, me. Oh, but because by inference, you have told the public.
Nobody has ever called me. The knowledge I have of our policies, and not a single person has ever called me and said, Doc, me and anything. Omo fi so munim na chese ko school kan yesa. Ya junu ne ejuma. Omo ne nim bibia. What do they know? What do they know? National Council no one I don't know munim. And it's that for him. A year now who break the 8. That year no crown was big cry. I just say you don't know what you are talking about. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Oh, dog.
So also me no catch when we say what percent MPP ye. Me say a year near Kwasi boys. I started about a year.
Doggy, oh, say I want me kasa emu no. Me percent MPP ye oh.
MPP. O ye wan ka MPP na ye so ti ase. So pen na sam kra asan na nkoye na wan ka o so ka ho nti na dia na say no.
Dr. Amwakoba and enumere you better ask pass my home my name but yeah that's I love your conversation. God bless you. But it would have wished one day Ubaba studio that we have a one-on-one convo. Mate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. It's been a revealing interview. Ha! Nyara jovola. Ekakavo. Ajatobluto. Amlitogu. Hey! Green Street. What you interview?
Prof interview no koye papa. E koye ankasa. Penipa na oni ne din koma. Penipa.
Charlie. Onimudi.
How NPP ni.
Charlie.
And some more okeka no.
Achina. Headlines we read.
Now, yeah, news items and articles are papa be my yetumi akire na enya de keto. A full content on it so. Wakasa. Na Prof ni bibi.
Minimum just akire.
Eto de bi wo ho a. Ye frɛ bibi say I can for wakasa bi ye say moma ye nye ye ho aduro. Wokɔ akankasa mu a bibi ankoyie na nimpa edi yawo a. Nipa ba kutumi nya akukuduro na nipa mienu miensa bi tumi nya akukuduro eka ensem a se wo kwa
me so ba man kwa amaro so na di
ko.
Hello, good evening.
Hey. Good evening.
Me ba to wana me na kasa yi.
Wow, me my akafia phobia ni o.
Okay, yeah that's it. O kasa free.
Kantamanto Accra.
Me da say, am so wetie enkomo no pa. Me dem so obekasa, ebusuan opeso friend obaso a 0260196064 0260196065. Me ba to ma no nko.
Yo, binia. Ye di kai manentiao. Na me ba ko ya charge se ko di afrepon. E general secretary na me tia Sapia Muhammad. Ada Jo Asama NDC. Asama you for chairman. You are Sama, the chair NDC. Abinia, I'm Wakoba, Papaya, some more better idea. To me, no, the assembly is Obezade. Yes, I'm in Subakuba Kukradi. Now, can be said, MPP for Bania, the Panichawa, or the Sama. It's a Wakano. Papa, I met Chananado, no star, contract. Deportation. On your people need the Samu. No, so what party. Any part 20 and 1 year. That's a Mukumia and the other star. Talk to so called another one. Okay, can be any of bad jubilee house. And another say, Mama and Colana Coiners on Yajuma. What we are not in the car. Oh, sir, and someone walk a car. Oka the Brado did what them.
Sompa FM.
Matter. But one funny seven baby, but another Ghana for MPP.
That's it. Pass over to so what do you also think? Over to me, friend 0260 196064. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. What you say?
Me where Papa Joanna Menene Kasai.
Nidiani from Casafe Cantamanto.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yet you.
Yo, money at my power, my gun, and Yaku show my answer.
Me that's say.
Media Kakram, the catch you will have Wakoba and say, yes, baby, yes, baby. Everything will be a judge, papa. Yes, that's the way you be when you FVP.
Yes, it's when you one people who be on when you offset a woo. And yes, you say, name one will be a woman say, when you take you one can hold one their part, you know. When you line any example, man. And I do by your wound that you are any year, man. What can one same people can send the blue. Who push on people want to unlock at them go and let any party now walk, you know. And then I walk as a doing. Into a 2 or 40 party. When you go, so one champion people in name one say party that people now. Because the bill of was saying, if you can know, so Baby, you are the party now, but it is a combat out if I want anything. And I was the partner on the bad president, and I was the bad president. One of the president, there's a panel. That is the president, Japan, who is when you put MPP entrance right.
Midase Pastor Bajumeri, so you can also call 0260 196064. 0260-196065. These are the numbers you can call and be a part of the show. We have just about 3 minutes more to wrap up. I mean, Patrick and Jen. Patrick, any input on this particular program? Yeah.
Prophet.
Yeah.
It's not that your brother can Green Street can. It's a you'll be said I strongly believe say it's a political party. More honor say a yaw nkrofum na
Sompa FM
omuntimi kan ase yebeka there's something going to happen to us yaw ni wo mu a eno no entimi emmo party ntine yebesere ne say senkan papa mu a omuntina se omo ayaw wo mu ni nyina no omo meka omasem na omo hu solution a ombetimi e dia because send not Dr. Makuba can mostly breaking the 8, but breaking the 8 in message na money back no kan na mo we poto enti adwuma ho I say political party ni ye say omoye na ne
Baby call Green Street in Green Street was we trust one
Prof Wadaroma o say NPP no ye mo sompa de nkasa be tipa ya tie si kromu a koto de e fa ne ho ben wahu ba sompa ha no Jumedia yeti so say for God and country. And you know NPP na kwa human institution a nipa kuma di etire.
Sure.
And nti na nda be ye hia sem wo ye ka bi. Na nya say de ye ka no. Your personal position.
It's not our personal. I made it clear to him.
Very well. And you know say ye ka bibia, wo hwa asem a menua Patrick kan ye ya. Ye ho adura NPP no etitire wo mu di ya. Mami mbo bi ntre wo. Alan Kasha ye ka na asem yi. Ya odi no di free party ni mu. Ode kwete ne de Niende peni ya ka Dr. Mwakuba aka new patriotic front
yeah
ya odie na ono ni na chitafo a de kwete sa party no omo de kasa yi Uba NPP mu a Paul Afoko no ya national chairman 2017 ya odie na enoma course wa na de suspend no a eventually papa ye free party mu wohu ya cabinet Japan na oye general secretary Emma Paul Afoko ono so the same trend Yaudi ni bia no different mu eche yode no ko bata omu eye last year yi Dr. Nyaho Tamaklo Penny ka se bia wo te se Penny odi ya wona kumemu also a founding member and the NPP executives current executives say suspended no Penny ka sa utie ni interview bia Yaudi no de kasa wo ba eye Cynthia Mamle Morrison
sure
enche ye bia last year elections na ma mi ni ho sam e ba e pa eye 4 MPs bia ye omo according to speaker.
I remember that story.
Aguna Wester, mami eche no ko independent. Eso na we sitting MP, o ko independent to losing the primaries. O say primaries ni nyoma bia nko yie. Enti Yaudie no ono so ye de ko independent. Yembra ye friend is saying Dr. Mwakumba ye ndeye ka na asem. Enti hwe empenifo we ye omo NPP mu a ende Yaudie enti obi take different positions. Na say ndra mo ko ye submission of defeat report research reporter most mo be thank you to how can you go and thank these people any people those who are pained and have left the party under different circumstances
perhaps they have a strategy
also which they will, now nipa nani mo akoda na so be mo akwa ba oni fie